Hello everyone, welcome back again with me on Koniago Engineering. Today we will continue course about Solidworks motion study. This course reference from this book. In this video we will study about mechanical math part 1. And if you like to make a machine, you can buy my machine concept in Lynk ID, link in description. Without wasting time, let's start it. Now we have 3 assembly. Let's try this one. Go to math, go to mechanical math, choose chem math. Now you have 2 parameter. In chem path parameter, choose this one. And chem flower, click this point. See? Now you can do like this. This math is used to make a chem mechanism like this. See? And click OK. Now go to another assembly, this one. Now active math. Go to mechanical math. Let's try use hinge math and slot math. Active hinge math. This math is combination standard math, concentric math, and coincident math. You can do like this. In concentric math, choose this one and this one. In coincident math, choose this one and this one. See? Now you can don't use standard math, but you can use hinge math and click OK. See? Now let's choose slot math. In slot math, you just click this face and this face. See? You can choose free, center slot, and this is a long slot. This is maybe 70 or percent like this, but I choose free and click OK. Now go to standard math, click this face and this face, click OK. Now you can do like this. See? Now let's go to another assembly. Now we have bolt and nut. Go to math, go to mechanical math. Let's choose screw math. This is M20 times the pitch is 1.75. So you can click this face and this face. In the solution, or you can choose distance, make 1.75 pitch of the ball, and you can do like this. See? Okay. See? Like bolt mechanism, because the screw math function is for make bolt mechanism like this. I think that is the end tutorial. I hope you like and can learn Solidworks use my video tutorial. Thanks for watching. See ya.